As a parent, I know how busy life can get, but let's talk about something super important: regular checkups for our kids. It's easy to overlook, but those visits to the doctor are crucial for keeping our little ones healthy. Think of them as a health pit stop. During these checkups, doctors can catch any potential issues early on, which is so much better than waiting until something becomes a bigger problem. And let's not forget about vaccinations. They're like a superhero shield for our kids, protecting them from serious illnesses. Staying up to date on these can help keep our community safe too. So, let's make it a family habit to schedule those appointments. It's a small step that can lead to a lifetime of good health. Plus, it's a great excuse to spend some quality time with our kids, teaching them the importance of taking care of themselves. Regular checkups? Absolutely essential.